Hi, I'm Sarah B. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening up my third bag from Nadine West. I've had some interesting experiences with Nadine West in the past. I really want to like the company. They cater to a wide range of sizes. They promise that none of their pieces is going to be more than $30. And yeah, I want to like the company. I haven't had great bags. My first two bags, not so great. I get very enthusiastic when I open them because I'm so excited for the surprises that I don't think I look at them realistically, like the last bag, which you can find in my channel. It was like a t-shirt and yoga pants, and that was about it. So anyway, so I'm excited for this third bag. We'll see what's in it. We'll see if I should continue or not because I'm undecided. Nadine West is $10 shipping, and then that gets credited towards whatever you keep. You fill out a style profile, and they send you goodies. You should use the same bag to send everything back. They send you a packing slip so that, or prepaid postage, and the packing slip. Here's my one little bundle this time. I have mixed feelings, guys. What is this? Okay, so this is everything that they sent me. The most expensive piece is $29.99. If you don't buy anything, you lose that original $10. It's like $9.78 shipping credit. So the goal is to not lose the shipping credit. I don't know, you guys. What? Oh my Lord. It is a pair of plaid pants with zipper pockets. Like really? Oh, no, they're not. Ay. Okay. Not a fan. You guys. I don't think I'm even going to try these on for you. I'm really sorry, but I just don't think I can do it. So there are pockets. The zipper, which are like typical lady pants, useless pockets. Then there's a zipper that just leads you into the inside of the pants. I don't understand this. Am I just not fashionable enough to be dealing with these subscription boxes? Because I just don't understand that at all. It's from a company called Shosho. Okay. I'm not trying these on for you guys. I'm really sorry. Look at this. It's not happening. I'm really sorry. Okay, moving on. This is a large black crew neck tee. From Zenana Premium, which is the same company that the pants that I ended up keeping last time were from. I just don't understand it though, you guys. What is the appeal? Alright, okay. And then, this is turning out to be a bit of a downer. Alright, and there's a bunch of jewelry. And Hippie Chick, which was something else they sent me last time. It's Hippie Chick. Blue shirt with like the lattice work in the front, which I'm generally not a fan of. All right. Let's see what else. You guys, this is such a downer. I'm really sorry. Jewelry. Some pretty stud, like pearl and triangle earrings. A necklace from Marin Elena. Ooh, this one is in a white bag. All the rest are in pink bags. Yeah, it's a necklace. Maybe I'm just not in the right mood to do this right now. I'm really sorry. It's very light. It's long. It is a necklace. I'm just going to state facts right now. See what else I get into later. And, ooh. Okay, so this might be a thing. It is a bracelet. That has no tag. Except for the Nadine West tag. It's really heavy though. And of course, I know it does. Fit over my massive wrist. Now, just because it fits, does that mean I'll wear it? I don't know. Can I get it off? I don't know. It also looks a little damaged. So, all right, I'm not trying the pants on. I'm really sorry, that's not happening. But I will try on the two shirts. And then we will have a heart-to-heart about Nadine West and how this is working out for me personally and whether I just have no concept of what's fashionable right now, which could very well be the case. All right, back in a jiff. So here's the first shirt, which is fine, except it's not terribly long. I like my t-shirts longer. It's rather thin and see-through, and this just doesn't work for me, you guys. It's not my bag. It's one more thing for my toddler to grab and pull at in efforts to get my attention. No, this is a hard pass. This is not for me. This is not me. Dudes, this is very sad. Okay, one more shirt. I'm not trying on the pants. No pants. And this is the black shirt. Just an enormous, shapeless black shirt with like weird cuff sleeves and that's it. So yeah, I want to get dressed back in my comfy clothes, and we're going to talk about this whole situation and figure out what to do. So let's figure this out. Looking at the price list now, the navy top, the golden days they called it, with the lattice top, $27.99. The Cali top, which is the black one, that look of which I could replicate by grabbing one of my husband's t-shirts, is the most expensive item in here at $29.99. The bottom, Noella in plaid, which you do not get the pleasure of seeing me try to squeeze into, $20.99. The earring, which I arguably like best in the bunch, but not all that much anyway, is $8.99. The necklace, which they call Tara, $24.99. And the bracelet, which just barely fit, Nola, $14.99. And now I'm in a predicament. I paid $9.78 to have this sent to me. If I don't buy anything, I lose that. If I get the one thing that I am like kind of okay with, the earring, which is only $8.99, I still lose money. And I really am just not into any of this, like at all. Well, Nadine West, I wanted to love you. Maybe my expectations were just unrealistic. But I think the reality is that I'm just not the target demographic for this subscription service. I don't know. I guess everybody could use another pair of pearl and silver triangle earrings. Sure, why not? You guys, I don't know what to do. And I have like 2 more days to figure this out and send stuff back. So please let me know what you think I should do. But I think I'm definitely taking a break from Nadine West. Perhaps permanently. There are some other subscription boxes and fun things I've been meaning to try, and maybe it's time to move on to winner things. But let me know what you think and what your experiences have been, and maybe I'm just getting like a bad stylist or weird boxes and your experiences have been way better. But let me know. Till next time, be well. And thank you for joining me on my little channel.